So I finished painting everything, and it doesn't look too bad, but I'm gonna go back with some black paint, and I'm gonna hand paint in between some of the spots where there should be a shadow, just to help it stand out just a little bit better. So everything's black, and it's just a little bit too dark. So I'm just gonna go back with some of the same paint that I painted it with and just dust it to make some of the black lines go away a little bit to where it's not quite so bold and in your face. So to show off the difference between what I did kind of glaze or put some shadows on, this is the back side. I didn't do the inside where the benches where you're sitting. I did the opposite side. So here's one. This is the inside. So to compare the exact same spot and look at the same thing, same detail on one that I did do, you can see the big difference there just in the amount of detail that's starting to kind of show through. But just by dusting it with the paint, I was able to make those big black lines disappear and make the detail pop out a little bit more on this. This is the colors that were used for this project. The primer, the Rust-Oleum gloss enamel. This is a burgundy, and then I hand painted with satin black. All the same brand, all the same stuff. That way it didn't react badly with each other.